Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Today is Thursday, July 17, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm doing okay, thanks. How about you?
Not too bad. Just need this coffee to kick in. Got a busy day ahead.
I feel you. I've got a lot on my plate too.
Oh yeah, always something, right? Meetings, emails, the usual.
Exactly. I'm already thinking about my next deadline.
Huh. Don't remind me of deadlines. I just want to sip this coffee in peace.
Fair enough. This break is the best part of the morning.
Totally. Hey, did you catch any news this morning while grabbing your coffee?
A little bit. I was scrolling through some headlines. What about you?
Yeah, I saw something about a new trade deal. Pretty interesting stuff.
Oh, which one? I think I read something too.
It's the US and Japan working together. Something about chips and tech in the Indo-Pacific.
Yes, I saw that on the New York Times site. It's a big deal for that region.
For sure. I'm thinking it might help my sales if we get more tech products.
Could be. It's also about making stronger ties between countries.
Yeah, that's good for business. More deals, more clients for me.
True. And it helps with tech security, which is huge right now.
Oh, definitely. Maybe my laptop won't crash every other day if we get better chips.
Let's hope so. Tech issues slow down my projects too.
I bet. Nothing worse than a computer acting up during a big sales pitch.
I know, right? This deal could really make a difference for a lot of us.
Fingers crossed. If it means less stress, I'm all for it.
Same here. It's nice to see countries teaming up like this.
Yeah, teamwork makes the dream work, right? Even for big countries.
Good way to put it. It's a step forward.
Totally. Hey, speaking of tech, did you hear about those new AI rules?
You mean the ones in Europe? I read about it on CNN.
Yeah, that's the one. They're putting strict rules on big tech companies.
Right, it's called the AI Act. They want to make sure AI is used safely.
I think that's smart. AI can be a bit weird sometimes, don't you think?
It can be. We use AI tools in my projects. So I'm curious about the impact.
Same here. I don't want some robot messing up my sales emails.
That would be a problem. But rules can help keep things under control.
I hope so. I just want my tech to work without any surprises.
I get that. Safety in tech is important for trust, especially in business.
For sure. I mean, I'm no tech genius, but I know when something's off.
Same. It's good they're thinking about how to manage AI better.
Yeah. Let's see how it plays out. I just hope it doesn't slow down my work.
Me too. We'll probably hear more about it soon.
Probably. Oh, and did you see the news about that big music award?
No, I missed that. What happened?
Beyoncé won a huge prize for her album. I saw it on Reuters.
Oh, really? That's awesome. Which album was it?
It's called Cowboy Carter. First time she got the top Grammy Award.
That's so cool. I've always liked her music.
Me too. Makes me want to blast her songs while I'm working.
Don't let the boss catch you. But it's inspiring to see her win.
Oh yeah. Maybe I'll sneak in some music during my lunch break?
Good plan. Music can make a tough day feel a little lighter.
It sure does. I might even dance a bit in my chair.
I'd pay to see that. But seriously, her success is amazing.
Totally. She's killing it, and it's nice to hear good news for a change.
Yes. It's a nice break from all the heavy stuff in the world.
For sure. You know, chatting about this stuff makes the day better.
It does. It's a good way to take a breather from work.
Oh yeah. I'm always running around with sales calls, so this helps.
I'm the same with project deadlines. This coffee break is my little escape.
Coffee and a chat are the best combo. Keeps me going.
Same here. So, what's your day looking like after this?
Oh, just a bunch of emails and a client call. What about you?
I've got a big meeting to prep for. Need to finish some reports.
Sounds like a blast. Don't work too hard, okay?
I'll try not to. You too don't stress over those calls.
Deal. Hey, I should probably get back to my desk now.
Me too. Let's catch up again soon.
For sure. See you later, Alex.
See you later, David. Have a good day.
You too. Take it easy.
Thanks, you as well.
Hey, before I go, got any quick tips for dealing with a tough client?
Just stay calm and listen to them. It usually helps.
Good advice. I'll try that today.
Hope it works. Let me know how it goes.
Will do. Thanks, Alex.
No problem. Good luck with everything.
Thanks. I'm gonna need it with my schedule.
I bet. I've got my own pile of tasks waiting.
Don't we all? All right, I'm heading off now.
Okay, me too. Take care, David.
You too, Alex. Catch you tomorrow.
Sounds good. Have a great rest of the day.
Thanks. You too. Don't let those reports get you down.
I'll try. See you soon.
See you. Keep smiling.
Will do. Bye, David.
Bye, Alex. Let's do this again tomorrow.
For sure, bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.